How to convert Canva presentation to PowerPoint PPTX file. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can convert Canva presentation to PowerPoint file. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Canva in your device, and after that open up your Canva presentation. So once you have opened up your Canva presentation, if you want to convert to PowerPoint, head over to top right corner and from there click on share button. Once you have this pop-up box, again navigate towards see all button and click on it. After that, in the search bar there you have to type in PowerPoint, and there you can see the Microsoft PowerPoint option. Click on it. Now you can select the pages. If you want to download all the pages, click on download all pages, but if you have your preferred pages, click on this drop down and now select the page number. Once done, click on done. After that, click on download button and wait for a while until it gets downloaded. After the download is complete, you can open up the file and it's gonna open up in PowerPoint as the PPTX file. And that's how you can convert Canva presentation to PowerPoint PPTX file. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.